surface like a matte top coat. So, and if you're doing it back and forth, you can do darker as you prefer. It doesn't matter. You pick. I think it's good. I did like 3 times or whatever. And I got that girl power today. It's Instagram can't stop us from learning.
You like? Separate or together?
No. Do you want to see separate or you want to see it together? Platinum's a great question. Should I always begin a marbles design with a white base? White base always the best for you to really like drawing and create a lot of designs. Also, you can do light pink, but the white base will pull out the best because if you doing a 3 or more colors of fusionings in it, it will blending it out naturally and it create a different background for you. So which is that I really like. Yep, so great, awesome, super cute bling nails for sharing with us. Okay, so now I'm gonna need this crystal clear. I'm showing it because I'm opening it there. And we doing. Bye, Sarisa. Thank you so much, love, for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow. And I am going to using my crystal clear. All right, so I know that's gonna do fusioning what Nancy doing. Sometimes I feel like boring, but this is support for all of you who get only one color of fusioning, okay? Or 2 color of fusioning. So you not feeling like, okay, you have to have a whole collection in order to do a great job or beautiful looks. No, absolutely not. You can do with only once. So I'm doing it this videos for all of you who support any of you, any nail tech who is just like trying one color of our products out and will have only one product. Well, I mean one colors to check it out, test it out. And this is a video, is fun for you and it's for all of you. And thank you so much for tuning in today.
CC asked, what if you don't have fusioning?
What you don't have fusioning, then you probably have chamfer foil, right? So one or the other. So last week we did all chamfer foil. So I will be like imagining one who doesn't have but okay, so another option, if you don't have a fusioning, guess what you're gonna have? Either you're gonna have of your blossom gels, and you also have why it looks so dark on Instagram though.
It's not. It's very bright.
Right here. Either you have blossom gel. I'm gonna show you with marble look using a blossom gel, right? And if you don't have a blossom gel, then you have your chamfer foil. Okay, so if you don't have a chamfer foil, I will show you. I did it before with the video of liquid and powder marble look. So I will try to get you ladies as much as possible. Whatever you have, I will share all of techniques I can. So if not, then we'll have to really like, if you don't have fusioning or you have chamfer foil, so we'll have to like really working harder to get one side fit all, like something that will fit everything, which is like creates fusionings, blossoms, something. Sarisa, I love the question. That's such a really challenge question. Why you lady challenge me today so hard? Like also now I answer the question and say that is really challenge questions. All right, so here's it's just fun, okay? It's just a fun facts, I think. I see a lot of people doing it like Shopee on online stuff. So it's good try. I don't know, I haven't tried it, but if anyone try it, I would love to hear that, because it's probably maybe turn out okay, but I don't know how is that gonna work. Maybe I should do videos one time doing Sharpie nails versus to fusion inks, so we all can learn it together. I just blend it out more because I didn't want to get that too dark in there. Are you happy with this now? Looks good now? If you're not, then I'll keep continuing, but if good, then 1 minute. All right, so this one we're going to using our Louis